Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm excited to walk you through a super practical Figma tutorial, how to create your own personalized QR code UI in just a few easy steps. Whether you're designing for a website, a poster, or a brand asset, you'll end up with a professional-looking QR code completely tailored to your project. By the end, you'll know not just how to generate a QR code, but also how to style it with your logo and add those extra touches that really make it stand out. So let's jump right in together. First things first, open up Figma and head down to the bottom center of your workspace. Here, you'll see the Actions feature, which is where we'll be searching for the plugin we need. In the plugin search bar, just type QR Coder. This plugin is a fantastic tool that takes the heavy lifting out of generating QR codes right inside Figma, saving you the trouble of hopping out to external websites or tools. Once you've found the QR Coder plugin, go ahead and open it up. You should see a pretty straightforward interface. Now you'll want to enter the link you'd like your QR code to lead to. This could be your business's website, a portfolio page, an invitation, basically anywhere you want your viewers to go. Double-check that link for typos. It may seem obvious, but it's super important since this is where the QR code will direct anyone who scans it. Next up, you get to personalize your QR code even more. There's an option to add your logo image, and I highly recommend you do this if you're creating something branded, like for a company or client. Just upload or paste your logo into the slot. The plugin usually fits the logo right in the center of the QR code. This small touch is what takes your QR from generic to wow, that's unique. Don't worry if your logo isn't perfectly square or if it doesn't fit exactly right at first. You might need to adjust its size or use a simplified mark for the best scannability. The plugin takes care of most of the heavy lifting here, but always give it a test scan yourself just to be sure. Once your link and logo are set, click on Insert QR Code. The plugin will place the freshly generated QR code directly onto your canvas. If you're not seeing it right away, sometimes it helps to zoom out or check your layers panel. Occasionally, new elements can get placed behind existing frames. Now let's give your QR code a home by adding a frame. Adding a frame isn't just about organization, it makes it easier to move your code around later and helps with consistent margins if you want to include it in presentations or exports. Think of it as putting your QR code in a nice picture frame. Everything looks more polished. Next, let's add a text label to guide your viewers. Grab the text tool and type out something like "Scan QR code here." This might seem like a small step, but it's incredibly helpful for anyone who stumbles upon your design and isn't sure what that little pixelated box is. Place your text just above or below the QR code, wherever it feels most balanced to you. You can play around with fonts, colors, and sizes to match your overall design language, and that's it. At this point, your QR code is ready to be scanned. You can use your phone's camera or a QR code scanner app and watch as it directs you to your chosen link. If you notice anything looks off, maybe the logo covers too much of the code, or the QR doesn't scan, just hop back into the plugin and tweak as needed. It may take a few tries to get it just right, but don't get discouraged. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more design tips like this. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Figma tutorials and creative hacks. Thanks so much for watching and happy designing.